Hi kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's start with pink color. Kids, we are tracing letter A. A is for apple. Sky blue color. B. B for bat. Violet color. C. C for cat. Yellow color. D. D for dog. Brown color. E. E for elephant. Green color. F. F for fish. Orange color. G. G for goat. Blue color. H. H for horse. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A for apple. B, B for bat. C, C for car. D, D for dog. E, E for elephant. F, F for fish. G, G for goat. H, H for horse. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and